So this morning I was thinking about why it is that we're coming on this roof, and we're here to tell the story of the facilities manager that has dealt with roof leaks and been disenfranchised by manufacturers who provide products that fail. So yes, this is a WeatherWeld roof that is soon to be completed, but I remember this particular client being just like you, completely skeptical about a company like us, WeatherWeld, who told them that we would eliminate the roof leaks for a lifetime. And that's just like many of the facility manager clients that we deal with. There is a lot of skepticism because it is a big promise, but this is a true testament to a facilities manager who took the leap of faith and decided to try someone new. And now they have multiple roofs on their college that do not leak. So if that's you, you can have that too. And you can reach us at weatherweld.com.